of learning Selenium automation with Java. Today we have the topic of conditional statement in Java. Today we will learn types of conditional statements, ternary operator, and finally we will see the question bank. So let's start with the conditional statements. Conditional statements in Java are used to control the flow of the program based on certain conditions. The primary conditional statements are if, else if, and else. These statements allow you to execute different blocks of code depending on whether a specified condition or set of conditions is true or false. So first one is if statement. Think of the if statement as a decision maker. It checks if something is true and it tells the program to do a specific action. For example, first you will check this syntax. This first we will write if and then provide the condition, and here in the block we will provide our code. So if the condition is true, then only that block will be executed. We can understand by this block diagram. We are declaring our if condition, and if the if condition is true, then our if block will executed, and if condition is false, then it will just not execute anything. It will just terminate the if condition. For example, if you are 18 or older, you can vote, right? So this is the example. Integer age is equals to 25. If age is greater than or equal to 18, then this condition will execute. So yeah, age is 25, so yeah, this condition is true. Then what output we are getting? We will get this output, right? But if I put the age as 17, then this condition will never execute. Okay, next is if else statement. So now what if something is not true? That is where if else comes in. It says if this is true, do this, and if it's not true, do something else. Understand with the syntax and the block diagram. If condition is true, then our this block will execute it. Whatever condition we are putting in the true, then this condition will execute it. And if condition is not false, then else block will execute it. Okay, and finally after the executing of any of one of them, our if else condition will terminate. So we can understand this by example. Is a number even or odd? So I took a 7. So 7 modulus 2. What remainder we will get? We will get 1. So this is an odd number. So this output we will print. But what if I set the number as 8? So 8 is a even number, then this will be printed. Else if statement. So sometimes there are more than two possibilities. Else if is like having multiple backup plans. If the first condition is not true, check another one. So we can understand by this block diagram. If this condition is true, then it will execute another if block, and okay. And if this condition is false, then it will execute another, and then it will execute the else if block. Again it will check again in the else if, where we have a condition, and again it will check true or false. Condition is true or false. If it's true, then it execute and terminate the condition, and if it's false, then it will again execute the else if condition. So this is something like branching. We can understand by this syntax, and I took one example here. What is the grade? Like I make a variable score as 75. If its score is greater than or equal to 19, then it is great, excellent. Again, if 75 it is less than 70 or equal to 70, then print a good job. Or if not both, then print you need to improve. Okay, in this case what will be the output here? So the output will be the good job. Now fourth is ternary operator. So this is a conditional operator we have. In addition to, if a statements, Java also support the ternary operator for concise conditional expression. For example, int x is equals to 10. That number is positive or non-positive. So x is greater than 0. Is this condition true? No. It's this. Yeah, this condition is true. Then this statement will be executed, and if this condition is false, then this statement will be executed. So our answer will be positive. Okay, so in summary, these statements help you program make decisions. They are like asking questions and telling the computer what to do based on the answers. Okay, so this is our question bank. Please perform this practical questions and make your knowledge more. So that is all about conditional statements in Java. Thank you.